For this Niger, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go giz, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Niger, everybody get their own matter. For this Niger, we dey bet you hope say tomorrow better.
See, I have to be frank with you. The Lord is inside the shop. See you just get apprentices anyhow. Bros, we don't know.
Baba.
Capentine.
You want to hold me kekere? You are looking at me less.
No, reason you less. Me, reason you less.
No. Abuja, I'm walking over everywhere. Adamawa, Owerri, even Meduguri.
Why you not come work today like this now? I just see you just sit down. All your boys just they work.
Because see, now there's no lights now. Don't you see? Check my shop. Look at it. I have so plenty of buzo that I have to file and cut. You see, no, there's no light.
But so you know say national grid don't collapse.
National grid again. Nigga was soon here when you that one happen
yesterday night, I tell you don't collapse.
No matter.
I just start person.
What is going on like this? Why we not going to leave all this work pending? Man, I need money. Oh, I need to collect my money.
Fine, son. Now you think so cut them now.
So in this modern world, chauffeur per minute you want to kill me?
Not true.
Even true. These children said they have parents, so they're just working for me. They found one. So let's take it easy. What is that?
Customer.
Money get.
See you. Just the trap.
Hey, you want to kiss person wife? You want kiss somebody's wife?
Goody. I don't want this one from you. You want somebody's wife?
Nobody's wife. I go do my marriage last month. Now why una no see me? I go for only months.
Lie.
I don't go marry.
Don't tell me that. What is that?
What is what? I order for the month.
Order for the month.
I order for the month.
I want she may fair you. Be my first wife.
I reject it.
We just say maybe use our leg come outside. We know say you for sure, but this day wetin happen?
Oh, Richard, see all my works. See everywhere.
Wetin come do am?
Lights now. I cannot do work now.
Baba call me. I swear that light thing that you talk, na true. National grid every day na in dey collapse.
I just say Yeramo. This one.
But once you talk this national grid issue that they say new light dey, the thing just my body just dey pain me like it. May I sit down?
Pastor.
Look my shop. It's not my shop. It's my friend's shop. It's my friend's shop. Look my shop.
Now why you know the church?
Anipe, this issue of we just dey laugh, but actually no funny
at all.
So like how many years now since Nigeria don't get independence and we still dey get light issues? We no fit get uninterrupted light at all.
Imagine.
Wait,
our neighboring country will be Benin safe. They enjoy light.
All of them Ghana.
You say Benin a small country. You know that place.
I small country in front of Nigeria, Joe. What did they talk?
You don't go there.
We will be giants of Africa.
I beg you.
Pastor, Shebi, you say you don't go do crusade for there before?
Yes, I went to do crusade there. And
it takes
yes, now.
As you go there, you know meet lights.
Lights day.
You know meet lights
day, true.
I beg you, Jare, of Africa. Now down for pocket we get it.
Don't say that one, no. Don't say that.
I beg you, Jare. You know, see that time when we get it, when we want play AFCON, where we and Ghana get issues. Where say they call us that?
Nah, Generator Republic.
But someone parody did they lie? Then you don't lie now.
But let's not lie. Look at Dubai with the whole robot that is going on in that country.
They bomb them
get lights. Like they get lights.
No, are you serious?
As if they bomb that famous hotel, that hotel will be like capital ID. I don't know the name of that hotel. As they bomb them, lights see they there. I'm surprised.
That means how did they get their own lights?
Thank you for
that. Our own that thunder will
government.
strike. The rain wants to fall. They will take the light.
Thunder go far.
Ordinary cloud. Ordinary cloud.
Make cloud just gather small like this.
That is the way of life.
Doors have no stand.
As in your door no stand.
Pastor, what is your problem? You have come again, no?
Now your door no stand now.
Calm down, but see, let's not like that lighting really dey affect. It really dey affect me like mad. No see say I wear armless on my neck. It don't.
You are a fine girl. He's not even showing himself.
No clean anything. Well, not touch me. Not touch me.
You see, Capentine. You know me as a pastor, I will tell you the truth. You see, if you get Jesus, you get light. And say you get Jesus, you don't get sun. Why you no buy solar? put down for up. Make Jesus they give you directions.
It is the money I used to buy it.
Bro.
All this work that I hear, have I done everything?
It's not you. You're saying it's not money. Shey, if you buy solar and sun no even shine, why you want take use?
Sun go shine.
Yeah, even talking about that one. Even fuel, I cannot buy it in my gen right now.
Why?
Fuel that we used to buy 850, now it's 930. Look at the difference.
Is it the time? 9:30 p.m.
Pastor
Are you
used to
trying
do.
to be funny?
I don't
Are you
know.
trying to be
I mean,
funny?
you're trying to drop joke or you're trying to draw that mean skins.
Waiting they sound like that.
Take this your body, just the shots for you.
They have to work.
sorry.
People that hold this work, they will kill us if we don't do it.
Sorry,
You don't do it.
When I do the work fast.
But
So.
make
Sure,
we
but-
no lie. Make we no lie.
I say wetin dey even pay me pass for everything. All the food wey dey my fridge is all spoil.
So you have food in your house.
Why you no give?
Amaka, you're a very greedy person. No?
A very good
You
man.
cannot even come here and she come and eat food in your house.
As per what? Are you a husband?
You no get wife.
See me, I like myself for one thing. As for me and my husband, I think where we dey always do be say we dey always cook every day, so we no even get time for food for freezer because we never get like 2 months ago. And no be every day we dey on gen. So we call your shop from our own shop. You no even feel say, oh yeah, come and buy something. No.
Abi o.
Make we drink. You know see say it's the
You know I will surely do that for you now.
Now, so if I not tell you, you go remember.
Amaka, is that why you're squeezing your face?
Abeg you
Like beans that is having mucus.
One coke for me too. Abi now.
Don't worry, I will buy you drink.
No, yeah.
Mukaila,
They even bring that cold coke.
that boy is there. Oh.
You know days as he shop.
Mukaila,
Kí ló dé?
what is wrong with you? I tell you that boy is. He can hear me. Mukaila.
Sir.
My voice is gone. Omo, you daju.
If you dey sleep now.
You dey hear what he's saying?
He
You
dey
can hear
fast.
me.
He dey fast now. What do you want him to do?
Wah. Mukaila,
Ọ̀gá.
you want to tell me you don't hear me when they call you the first time? The fasting and fasting is affecting you. It's taking you trabaye. Okay, I will not say anything. No. Wá lọ gba coke wá fún àwọn people yìí.
Ẹ ṣé.
Ṣé wọn tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Sọ fún ìyá Sídí, she should put my name in that book of life.
Abi book of
Can't
debt.
correct it for me.
No verse.
Pastor,
No verse.
I will have.
You don't
No
do.
vex.
You don't do. Me, mo bẹ́ẹ̀ méjì she gone. I don't even know how you do am.
He's my best friend.
My
though.
best friend.
Abeg.
We go see the bed for
Wait, stop friend.
Wait, now that one they pay you. Wait the boy when you send something we will drink.
He's on his way now. He's coming.
Pastor, you are a pastor.
Pastor, wait,
You dey
so you think you will take
aggressive
from
as a
it?
Pastor.
You don't think I don't drink
I will
cold
not
tea,
give
no?
you. I will not give you.
Why you
I
use your
want
own
I
money
want to give it to
My friend is here
here
now.
Oh, thank
So
you.
my friend will be buying for me.
Who's your
Omo,
friend?
you last one. Yeah, into my eyes. So.
Cover the eyes. Cover. am.
Shere.
Welcome,
Oshe.
thank you.
You see, I like this boy, you, but that ogba and that scone that is in your head, that is the problem I'm having with you.
Bóyá enter ọmọ burúkú náà lọ́jọ́ tiẹ̀.
That is how I like the boy, you. I like him very
Boy,
well.
ẹni sùúrù, you know how you said that you have kìnìkan. Ṣé make we obtain pastor, make we run deliverance on
Why
the
not?
boy?
I mean, this is not the first time I'm doing deliverance in your presence.
Deliverance from you.
where you be abi.
At least I don't get long fingernails now.
You know,
You say na by that money.
Now by that one, no.
Cash this your boy like this.
His pastor, you're touching his head.
I supposed to deliver this girl.
Bro, we see the way she hold that girl head like this. The way she dey press am omo, he go far.
Yeah, but let's me I say for that thing, is stage.
No, now.
I know
Sometimes
they-
deliverance they be like that. Too.
Pastor, will you allow somebody to touch your child in that and in the school
have
and
you
press
seen,
their eyes?
calm down, have you seen people that are really possessed with evil spirits?
Yes, now so they always do am. That first they go come out.
And what people now is that Tonto DK, they have to deliver somebody.
See, make I tell you something. Even person wey no even get winch sef, but the way they dey hold that person dey by force, person go get winch. Bro, you go see say he pass deliverance.
I will not lie to you. I felt somehow. The video was cringe. If you actually even want to do deliverance of somebody, must you put it on the internet? Like
That is my
it's
problem
so
with
nasty.
them. They want to show off.
Everybody knows
Without
they-
a big bum. That was want to show to me.
God will forgive you.
Come on, Pastor, don't tell me that.
That's an advantage.
Leave
Giving
me
her-
alone.
giving her life to
God forgive you.
Christ.
We know say she don't give her life to Christ. We know, but like it don't be like say it's not too much now.
Wallahi.
Make she even rest more.
Hey,
Take your own.
You know, I know say you know what. You know what.
Pastor, come out to your hand, Jare. You are always begging. Olójú kòkòrò. Beggy,
Me
Pastor.
maybe your friend.
Eh,
Again,
see, have you come to this place and give me coke before?
If you don't give me, I go deliver you. And I told you the star I go use. I go press your eye. What you mean? Press your eye. My friend.
For this Niger, we go see the bed for better wahala.